Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8. My name is Y. Muhammad Sazli. Me and my friends Aman Nazmi and Nabil Fikri will be presenting for these projects. So I will begin with introduction for these two projects. So for the introduction is the Internet of Things is the technology that helps to connect devices to each other and share information over the internet and interact with each other. Example of IoT applications in work nowadays can be seen on smart home security systems, wireless inventory tracking system, smart parking system, and many more. This has showed that IoT is a massive system, massive network of interconnected things and people that all collect and share information on how they are utilized with the world around them. IoT is also involving the extension of internet connectivity beyond our personal computers and mobile devices. It can reach a wide range of non-internet enabled devices. Once the device have been embedded with technology, they are brought to life and can communicate with each other through the internet. This shows that they can be monitored and controlled remotely. For example, the rise of autonomous driverless cars has become more feasible because of the application. In this world dominated by digital technology, IoT has played a prominent role in our lives. Next, for the problem statement, since our group projects has two projects, so I will present for the problem statement for each project. So for project one, the problem stated is that students often often study during late night. Thus, their eyes could be damaged by their study lamp lights. The light from the study lamp on their desk can damage their eyes and can cause a few bad consequences. As a result, our group proposed a solution to assist students who had a difficult time with their study lamp brightness so that they could stay up late to study. The circuit can be controlled by a potentiometer that is connected to microcontroller, which is ESP32, and the light brightness can be adjusted according to their eyes preferences. For project 2, the problem stated is that people are often affected by climate changes, especially at the end of each year. The changes is the changes in temperature and humidity during that time could affect the environment and might cause catastrophe to some regions. Recently, a few states were shocked by a sudden flood. They could not expect and be aware of the early signals on temperature and humidity changes at that time. So, a system to monitor the humidity and temperature accurately and notify its user with an alert notification should be developed to ensure that people's safety can be guaranteed. For objective, I will pass to my friends Nabil Fikri.
For the objective for the project 1, okay, to study the functionality of each component used, to allow LED brightness to be controlled using potentiometer, to design a circuit and produce an appropriate Python code. Okay, for the project 2, to study how data obtained can be stored, to design a circuit with grid functionality, to apply Python code to connect to Wi-Fi networks, read the temperature and humidity, to study usability of Python application in IoT project. Okay, last, to notify user with an alert message. Okay, proposed solution for project 1. The light can be adjusted suitable for the student to adjust the brightness of light using a potentiometer. For project 2, to read the temperature and humidity, to notify user for the changes of temperature and humidity, to use DHT11 as a sensor, to alert notification can be sent and received by user. Decision and rules will be set up at the Favorio platform and established with Wi-Fi connection. Okay, for the methodology and flowchart. Okay, for the project 1, this is the methodology and flowchart. Okay, this is the flowchart for project 2.
Okay, next for the project implementation. For project 1 will be presented by Wan Sazli, while for project 2 will be presented by Amar.
Attach the 220 ohm resistor, LED, and potentiometer to the breadboard. Complete the circuit by attaching the jumper wire to the breadboard and ESP32. Attach the black wire to ground pin, red wire to 3V3 pin, and yellow wire to pin 34, and white wire to pin 14. Then run the Python code and we can adjust the brightness of the LED by tilting the potentiometer.
First, open the UPyCraft and then make sure the code is connected to the correct Wi-Fi. Then open favorite platform and go to the rule section. After that, go to edit, set the rule name, rule description, rule, set to email, and insert your email. And then set your message, rule trigger to 1, and click activate, and then click update. After that, open UPyCraft and run the code. Wait for the output of the code. After that, open a favorite platform to see the data streams. Then go to email to check the email sent by favorite. As you can see, the email has been sent by favorite. That's all from my group. Thank you.